miLightPegs is an app that lets you create images using digital light pegs. If you remember having a Light-Brite as a kid, if you're old enough to afford an iPad, then you're probably old enough to remember the day when the Light-Brite was really popular. So I created this little image here, says the Daily App Show, or just Daily App Show, and it's a little difficult because creating these letters and stuff and making it look halfway decent, I haven't had to do that in a long time. So what's cool is that you can just change any of these as you want. You can tap on them and change their color. I can tap anywhere on the screen where there's not a light and it pulls out additional lights for me. I can continue to tap on the screen and it changes the peg colors for me, and of course I could pull those out at any time. I could double tap and go to my menu here. I can fill the playboard with pegs and then go and start to change their colors randomly and create a design that way. I can just clear the pegboard, load a previously saved image like Daily App Show, and then go look at the settings. So in the settings we have Show Grid, which when we're done with our project we could turn off the grid and just see our image only. We have a grid brightness, so we could turn that down if we want it to be kind of less in our face. The board density, I can set that, different sizes of pegs. The peg show glow, I could turn that on or off. Let's turn that on and see what we've got. You can see there's kind of a glow to the peg. I think I like it better without the glow. And then we have all of these colors here. As we tap, you saw that we were changing through these colors. If you're not happy with these colors, that's okay, because look at all of the color options that we have. There are a ton of color options, so I'm sure you'll be able to find one that you like. You can see peg 8 and peg 9 are set to none, so of course you can go in here and assign those colors as well if you wanted to, or change any of the other ones. So let's go back. So we've got Daily App Show right here, really nice. I can double tap here. I can share this through an email, a TwitPic, a photo library, or copy for MMS. Now, of course, you can't send text messages using the iPad natively, but you can send multimedia messages using other apps. So, of course, you can copy that to your clipboard or your pasteboard and then go and use that within another application. Or, of course, you could always just share it and save it to your photo library, and then, of course, it'll be accessible in anything else in other applications that you use where you can take advantage of using images. So definitely a cool application. It really takes me back to my childhood, and of course makes me realize that I had much more patience as a child. So check out this application. I think you're going to love it. It's called miLightPegs. Take care, and we'll see you next time on the Daily App Show.